Thank you, Jason. Well, it's time for What's Poppin'. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go, everyone. Could a year-and-a-half-long legal battle for Johnny Depp finally be over? Sources say the actor avoided his August 15 trial by settling with a former manager for an unknown amount of money for mishandling his finances during a lucrative 16-year period, which drove Johnny into more than catch this, $40 million in debt.
All right, well, when you go down, you get back up again, just like Mr. Blake Shelton. Over the weekend, the country star performed at Oregon's Pendleton Whiskey Music Festival. But during the concert, he fell. He then went to Twitter asking for the video, and of course, fans delivered. Take a look.
Do you want to do it, or do you quit? Oh, no, he's doing it! He's doing it!
Decided to blame Pitbull, saying he was just trying to compete with the show.
Well, rumour has that he was a little bit drunk.
I wouldn't.
That was the rumour. Hey, someone else who's in a good mood today is Tebow. Why? He has a new special lady in his life. In an interview, he confirmed he was dating Miss Universe 2017, saying he's very thankful for her. Now, Tim's sister posted the pic to Instagram last week showing the couple together. Congratulations.
And another emerging couple could be Amber Rose and Monta Morris. Amber was seen holding the NBA star's hand just 4 months after she left rapper 21 Savage. The Shade Room posted the picture yesterday, but neither have confirmed the relationship.
I think that says enough by the Shade Room posting it. Let the couple's fun continue. Alex Rodriguez did something very sweet with his girlfriend and their kids, Jennifer Lopez, and the rest of the family modelled some of his bats, which are actually a cute little family photo. And what a clever way to show off your product and not have to pay them for the modelling of them.
Yeah, that saves a little bit on the budget, huh? All right, here's one last cute and funny family moment. Thanks to Chrissy Teigen, as well as her social media and her husband, John Legend, the Love Boat could be making a comeback. She posted her own version of the theme song onto the famous TV show Instagram account. Take a listen.
Love, exciting and new.
I absolutely love that song.
And please note that she made this video. She was cruising through Malibu.
I know, and John actually sang that as well. That was him singing.
Them.
I think they are the best couple
I do too.
on Instagram, and they do the best Instagram posts.
They do.
And they're such a gorgeous couple.